in your sixth question, the arc of a bridge is dimension as shown in this figure, where the arcs measure whose height is a 2 meter and whose width is a 6 meter. What is the radius of the circle that contain the arc? So this only they given. So if you are having a circle like this, okay, imagine this is a circle. So I am having a radius. I am having a center O. Okay, from the center, some measurement only we are taking the arc. Okay, so how can I draw in this place? So I need a radius, right? So I can draw this perpendicular, extend this line, and I can join to this, right? This is only my radius, right? This is only my radius. For my convenience, I am drawing like this. Okay, then only I can find out. But I need this part. Alone. So I know this is my 2 meter. The overall length is a 2 meter. So we are going to find out the balance only. We can find out some values. Okay, that's only they given. So what we are going to do in this place is, first of all, we are writing what are the value they given. The height equal to 2 meter. Width equal to 6 meter. That is nothing but AB. Okay. So for my convenience, what I am going to do in this place. So from the center, if you're drawing from the center to your drawing means obviously this overall OC is your radius, right? So OC, how can I write? CD plus DO. OC is what? Your radius. Equal to, what's the CD? CD is your 2 meter plus this is D is I don't know, so I am taking that is my X. Okay, because I don't know this place, so I am taking X. Okay, so if I need this place, okay, because for my convenience I need this place, so I need this means X is equal to R minus 2. Are you clear? Because in a geometry, you are convenient only we are taking. So because I need OD, because I know this is a 90 degree. So obviously this is a right angle triangle. In triangle OBD, so OD is equal to, OD is nothing but that X. R minus 2 meter. Are you clear? This is a OD. OD is nothing but your X. Then what they mention? OB. OB is nothing but your R radius meter. Then what they mention? A, B. A, I need what? DB. So DB is nothing but off of the AB. AB by 2 is nothing but 6 by 2. So DB equal to 3 meter. Okay, these are the value. So we already know the biggest term, 90 degree opposite only your hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, what I am doing? OB square is equal to OD square plus DB square. So OB is nothing but R square. OD is nothing but R minus 2 the whole square plus 3 square, right? So R square is equal to A minus B the whole square. A minus B the whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay, so R square plus 2 square minus 2 R into 2 plus 9. So this R square will get cancelled. So what can I do? So 0 is equal to, so this 9 is moving this place, so minus 9. This is 4 minus 4 2. 4r. Multiply 2 into 2, 4 into r. So this 4 is moving this place. So minus 4r minus 13 equal to minus 4r. So minus will get cancelled. So I can write 4r equal to 13. So r equal to 13 by 4. How can we write? So 13 by 4. So 3 times for 12. So 1. So point putting a 0. So 8 for 2 times 2. 0 5 times. So 3.25 is the radius. Okay, because we need r, right? So 3.25 meter is the radius. Then the next sum. In a figure, angle ABC is a 120 degree, where A, B and C are the point of the circle with the center O. Find out OAB. So OAC. So we are going to this one is the given diagram. So what they given in a diagram? Angle ABC is a 120. So the angle B is a 120 degree. So I know this. So we already studied in a property, right? So if you are having a reflexive angle, if you are having inside the angle is 120, means if you are having a quadrilateral, right? So in this place, in a cyclic quadrilateral, in this place we are having an angle, means the outer space is 2 times of your angle B. Okay, this is called as a reflex angle. Reflex angle. Okay, this is a one type of the angle. If you are having the angle opposite outer is 2 times of this angle. So which one is my angle? AOC, but outside. Okay, by reflex, angle AOC is equal to 2 times of angle ABC. So 2 into 120 degree is what? 042. But what we need, if I know in this place, I can find it easily, right? So that's why what I am going to do in this place, we already know one rotation, the full rotation is a 360 degree. Okay, so what can I do? If I need this place, means I am removing this 360 minus that. I need this AOC, angle AOC inside. Okay, 360 degree minus of this 240 degree. So I know inside, because except this I am going to find out inside, right? (360, 240, 0 to 1). So 120 degree. And one more thing you should remember, from the center to you are drawing A, OA and OC. So obviously this is equal to this. So I am taking this triangle, that is isosceles. Okay, in triangle AOC is an isosceles triangle. So in isosceles triangle, the sides are equal, means obviously whose angles also equal. So I am taking this is x, means this is also x, because I need this angle. So what I am doing, angle A equal to x, that's also equal to angle C, and angle O equal to 120 degree. Now only we learned, right? So by using sum of 3 angles in triangle equal to 180 degree, angle A plus angle C plus angle O equal to 180 degree. So x plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Sum of this 2x equal to 180 degree. This is moving this place 120 degree, so 2x. Subtracting this 60 degree. So what's the x? 60 by 2. So x is equal to 30 degree. Therefore angle OAC is equal to x, that's equal to what? 30 degree. That's it.